Oh, sorry. You see those tiny red dots in the top right corner of a lot of apps? They're called notification badges, and they might seem innocent, but in reality, they're incredible FOMO inducers. FOMO, or fear of missing out, is a term that was coined back in 2004, and it's a feeling we can all relate to. It's that unstoppable urge to constantly check in on email, WhatsApp, or social media just to get rid of that feeling that we might just miss out on something. And your phone is a true master at inducing that FOMO. And those little red dots, those notification badges, are incredibly powerful triggers to keep your attention and time on the screen. And be honest, we've all been there, sliding through your phone in one big effort to get all of those red dots out of the way. But why are they so effective at inducing that FOMO? Well, first of all, they're red, and that's not a coincidence. Red is the color that will attract your vision most. Plus, in our culture, red is associated with immediacy and urgency. Secondly, inside that red dot, there's always a number. The number of unread messages, emails, or notifications. It's a constant reminder of all the things you might be missing out on. And it's that uncertainty that will spur you on to open the app every time. Now I know, it might give you that short-term relief of removing all those dots, but believe me, it will make you more stressed and may spend more unwanted time on the screen. Not worth it. The great news is that you can easily turn them off, and here's how.
First you go to settings, select notifications, and then select the app you want to turn the badges off for. In this case, I'll start with email. Select the email accounts, and then toggle off badges here below. And there you go. No more red dots for the email app. Simply repeat this for every app, and then you're all set.
Now I know what you're thinking, but hey Stolp, what if I miss out on something really important, something really urgent? Well, in that case, it would have probably been a phone call. So trust me, leave that FOMO, leave the badges behind. They won't ever make up for all that lost time and attention. Thanks for watching.